It's 7:30. We are boarding at
10:45 a.m.
10:45. Why are we going so early? मैंने breakfast में खाया है केक, chocolate cake.
और अभी खाएगी मार.
Again, like I said, Papa, please drive properly. I'm trying to film something. So like I said, I have no idea where we're going. When are you revealing it to me?
When
Will
it
not
becomes
reveal it to you.
utmost
You will reach
important.
there and
At the airport, I'm gonna find out.
You
Okay,
reach
my
there and
guess is that it's Pondicherry.
Yes.
That's my guess. Okay, let's see.
Alibag, Pondicherry, Goa.
I'm so excited. Imagine मैं खुश हो रही हूँ and it's a bad location.
It's an Alibag location. Sir, bad nothing. रुक जाइए. कोई तो निकलेगा.
Guys, my heart is literally racing.
Boarding pass, please. Here's a boarding pass. Pratika Thakur.
No way! Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh my god! Look at this! I'm going to Maldives.
Dream location. It's a dream destination.
Oh, look at this. We're done with immigration. Now we're going to the lounge.
Wait, let me get my food.
We're taking off now and I'm so excited. Mama is reading. We're going to our resort through a speedboat. We are on the speedboat. We're reaching our hotel in 45 minutes. Right now we were sitting at the reception because they had to give us a tour of the place and explain everything. But I just wanted to freshen up and jump straight into the water. So Mama convinced the receptionist and this is us on our way to the hotel room. I have reached the hotel room. I'm gonna freshen up now, but it's so good. It's so good, guys. Sorry, I didn't show you guys the outfit change. Only because I was shooting a brand deal. So I had to record that, which is why I didn't have my phone free to record for YouTube. This is the outfit, this is the bag. And ideally I would have liked to wear a white skirt with this, but I couldn't find my white skirt. So here we are. We're going to eat something and then we're going to go to the beach. I mean snacks. What?
High tea.
We are at the beach. We just swam at the beach. Now we're going to the pool. And it's like right here. It started to rain, so now we are in our bathing suits and towels and we will go to the room, we will change and then we will go to the
Gym.
yes, gym time. Going to the gym.
Why is it dinner करेंगे?
ये आउटफिट में डिनर करेंगे. So it suddenly started raining, which is why we are waiting for a tram. They have cookies in their gym and apples. Wow. Gym towels. this is what the gym looks like. We finished working out. We're here for dinner. Oh my god, so cute. Came back to my hotel room and I saw this. Oh. We are going to eat something and then we're going to the beach.
इधर उनका सामान तो नहीं ना, हम लोग पूछ रहे हैं।
We just finished breakfast and I just shot 2 brand deals on the beach, which is why my lips look like this, because it was a lip oil thing. Oh my god. We found these swings. It started raining. The tram just dropped us off, but basically I was going to rant about how every time, okay, the reception is little far from our room, and if you know me, you know I don't like to walk. So every time that we would ask for the tram or for the mini bus, they would be like, "Arey, but it's right here, it's right here." हाँ okay होगा भाई right here, लेकिन मुझे लेना है tram. And they were like, "No, but it's right here. No, this is a cargo tram. No, this is a..." So finally the guy said yes. कैसे जाऊँ? चप्पल बाहर रखूँ?
You take your call.
क्या करूँ? डायरेक्टली नहाने जाऊँ?
सीधा सीधा ना।
This is the outfit and we are ready to head out for lunch. It's like, what's the time?
1.
It's 1. We're going to eat lunch now and then we have a dolphin safari. Yay!
The bus.
We got into the bus. Guys, we are kind of lost. Oh my god! Mama, my shawl is flying! Please help me. Thank you, thank you. Mama is going on the swing. Our lunch is still left, but Mama wanted to go on the swing.
Might be the bigger.
But there is dolphin cruise. We just finished lunch and now we're back to the buffet place to get some ice cream. By we I mean I. So I have this thing where I pick out like strawberry pieces and put it in my dessert, then no one is looking. So that nobody finds out. One thing about me is that I keep telling myself that I'll try new dessert and I'll try different desserts, but then I always end up trying chocolates like chocolate ice cream and brownies and stuff, and I never actually go for new flavors. So this time I got a chocolate ice cream and a strawberry sorbet. I'm taking every moment I can to show you my nails. We're having a talk with the social media team over here for some work. So they're supposed to arrive anytime now and we just wait. So we got a bus finally and now we are going to Dream Island. We are going to Dream Island and we're just going to take a round and come back to the same spot. The dolphin cruise got postponed to tomorrow because it's raining. वी हैव कम बैक टू द रूम एंड मुझे लगा कि मुझे मेरे बाल धो लेने चाहिए सुबह को आफ्टर द बीच, क्योंकि मैं नहीं जाऊँगी स्विमिंग इवनिंग. आई थॉट दैट आई वुड गेट टेम्पटेड टू स्विम बट आई कैन कंट्रोल दोज टेम्पटेशंस. लेकिन
आई एम गॉड्स वीकेस्ट सोल्जर एंड अभी मैं जा रही हूँ स्विमिंग.
मेरी मॉम ने सजेस्ट किया है कि बाल बांध के चली जा, अपना पूरा सर नीचे मत डालना. बट आई नो माई सेल्फ, आई नो कि अगर मैं पूल में जा रही हूँ तो ऐसा पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि मैं अपना सर अंदर ना डाल. अब मैं कैसे अपना सर अंदर नहीं डालूँ? दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. आई एम वेयरिंग लेंसेज एंड लेंसेज के साथ स्विमिंग नहीं करना चाहिए आइडियली, बट अब उन्हें कौन निकालेगा. We are in the pool. I didn't get my face wet, guys. I got my hair a little wet, but
Are you proud of me? I didn't get my face. Wow.
I am ready for dinner, and then we're gonna go to like a bar sort of place just for party, not to drink or anything. But here's my dinner outfit. I was at the topping section and I literally saw this one woman look at the toppings and she did this. I was like, girl, are you mad? Are you mad? And I just took everything after that. It's calling me by my full government name. I don't know मुझे vacations पे क्या हो जाता है. मैं ऐसे act करती हूँ जैसे vacation calories are not real and vacation money is not real. I spend and eat as if it's never going to affect me. So we came to this club-ish bar place because there was supposed to be live music and dancing. हमारा dinner जल्दी ख़त्म हो गया, so we decided to come here early because there was nothing to do over there. And यहाँ पे एक presentation चल रहा है and उसके end में quiz होगा and मुझे सोना है and my mother is fully engrossed. My mom was a full nerd in school, so she's having the time of her life. He's teaching us the biology of fish and coral. And मेरी माँ को बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. Look at her. Look at her bar.
So what we can see on the left-hand side of the screen is a coral that's under its ambient temperature. So
Okay, I can't lie. I'm low-key kind of enjoying this and paying attention.
It's proud guy was gonna happy birthday to you. So while you're waiting for Mohan to sing happy birthday to you.
Hi guys, editing Pratika here. As I was editing this YouTube video, I realized that a lot of the things that I'm saying are repetitive. When I say things like now I'm going to the beach and then I'll go to the pool and then I'll have breakfast. And don't get me wrong, I had the time of my life because this is my ideal vacation. Having breakfast and going to the beach and staying at the beach for long hours. The thing is that editing this vlog was a little tricky and I had to cut out on a lot of footage because every single day I was doing the same things, right? Which is why I've decided that for the last few days of the trip, I'm only going to be showing you snippets of some footage and not the whole thing. I know that a breakfast buffet hates to see me come in. I know that the dessert counter hates to see me come in. Literally raw Nutella खा रही हूँ. Hello. Hello.